Aston Martin is at long last prepared to be focused once more. Aston Martin autos have dependably been manifestations of excellence. However, when you stacked the numbers against the opposition, they never truly beat the competition. The normally suctioned V8 and V12 motors that the organization utilized sounded superb. However, they were drowsy contrasted with the opposition. In like manner, Aston Martin insides dependably had an extravagant vibe, yet were a very long time behind as far as innovation. Fortunately, Aston Martin at last perceived its deficiencies with a new DB11, and has quite recently drawn out its second new model in the AMG period, the Vantage. The DB11 stepped forward regarding power with another twin-turbo V12. The normally suctioned V12 that has been around since the Ford proprietorship's days is at long last gone, supplanted by a 5.2-liter unit with 600 horsepower. There is likewise a 4.0-liter V8 rendition acquired from Mercedes-AMG. This is a similar motor that will be utilized as a part of the Vantage and is likewise imparted to a few models from the AMG division. We began to look all starry-eyed at this motor when it initially appeared in the AMG GT, a two-situation sports auto that is surprisingly comparative in size to the new Vantage. The Vantage may impart a motor to the AMG GT. However, the two autos share little else in like manner other than their general size and shape. It appears somewhat odd that Mercedes would loan its motors out to an auto that contends in an indistinguishable classification from one of its models. The new Vantage produces 510 horsepower and 505 pounds-feet of torque. That is a critical knock over the old 4.7-liter V8, which just delivered 430 horsepower and 361 pounds-feet of torque. Not exclusively does this put it ideal comparable to the AMG GT. Yet the Vantage at last contends well with different autos in the portion. This incorporates everything from the new Lexus LC500 to the Porsche 911. The $100,000 to $150,000 sports roadster portion has been warming up as of late, and ought to get considerably more swarmed with the up-and-coming BMW 8 Series and Polestar 1. Since the Vantage has been fundamentally refreshed, the Maserati Gran Turismo is the last auto in the six-figure value fragment that fells unpleasantly outdated. Aston Martin has likewise acquired the hardware from Mercedes, which should give the new Vantage a significantly more usable inside. The infotainment is controlled through the Mercedes command handle, which is keeping pace with huge numbers of the best frameworks available. The interface on the old Vantage was a long way from instinctive and was in critical need of a refresh. The inside looks somewhat like the AMG GT. However, Aston Martin has given the Vantage its own one-of-a-kind flavor, both all around.